I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kissed.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be getting into another wig review, and the wig we're going to be reviewing is the Sensational Butta Lace Butta Unit 3 in the T4 golden brown color. I just wanted to show y'all the stock card. So this wig is virtually has virtually undetectable HD lace. It blends with most skin tones. It has ear lace with a wide 5-inch deep hand-side parting area. It comes with pre-plucked baby hairs, and it has a natural density hairline. Y'all, look at how popping those curls are fresh out the box. I didn't do anything to it at all, but I just wanted to show y'all the inside of the cap as well. It does have 2 combs in the top. It has a comb in the back, and then it has the adjustable straps.
Lil CC, let it slap with the bass. I used to save hoes with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no.
Look at her, y'all. I always put it on a mannequin head just so y'all can see how it would look on somebody's head. Y'all, she is popping already, and look at how flat the top of that wig is as well, just straight out the box. I love how the highlights are those golden brown pieces that are popping on that wig. I just love it. And I wouldn't say this wig because it doesn't specify how long it is. If I'm not mistaken, I want to say it's somewhere between like potentially 28 and 30 inches, because when I was wearing it, it came down to the top of my tailbone. But y'all, let's get into the lace. As always, I like to take y'all up close and personal. Look at how natural that lace is looking. Y'all know Sensational is also one of my favorite brands when it comes to wigs. But y'all, look at that. I'm really not gonna have to do much to this lace at all.
Little nigga, just another state case.
Right here, I'm just cutting off the lace. I didn't have my small pair of scissors, so I ended up having to use a big pair. But as always, I go in like a zigzag motion so we get more of that natural look. But y'all, look at how natural that lace is looking.
Never talk about it. Homie squad, but we all smoke the lot.
And right here, I'm just showing you before and after with me tinting the lace with my foundation. And then this is what my hair is looking like under the wig. I pull it down into a low bun, and then we're gonna go in and put on this wig cap that's about maybe, I want to say like a half a shade to a shade lighter than my skin tone, so it kind of mimics my scalp up under the wig.
Really just slapped every nigga in a race. I really might tap realest nigga on my face. Let it slap with the bass. I used to save hoes with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money I done gave you.
And I just had to show y'all how popping the curls were yet again. I did not end up adjusting the straps. I left them pretty much open. I didn't hook them just because my hair is in that low bun, so the wig cannot be tight. But as y'all can see, with me just putting her on and not really doing much to her, she's looking good already.
I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas across the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead, thought my raps wasn't facts, so they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one needed.
I feel like a lot of the wigs that I get, I could end up wearing them glueless, because like, look how she's looking already, and I haven't even sprayed her down. I haven't done anything, and she's pretty much looking good. But I am going to spray her and melt her into the skin.
In the next life, I'm trying to stay paid. When I die, put my money in the. When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just slapped every nigga in a race. I really might tap realest nigga on my face. Lil CC, let it slap with the bass. I used to save hoes with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah.
Alright, we're gonna go in with that even wig spray. I did do 2 layers this time, not 3. Because 2 I've noticed is just enough. 3, I feel like, not that this spray is like glue, but it's one of the strongest wig sprays I've used, and I feel like 3 layers is a little bit too much on my skin, and with it being near my hairline, I stopped doing that. So yeah, we're going with 2 layers of the spray, and then we're gonna blow dry it as always. And then once I pull that lace down to where I want it to go, I'm gonna melt it into my skin even more. As y'all know, I always take a rat tail comb and I press the lace down into my skin and blow dry it at the same time. this really helps ensure that that lace is like really melted into the skin.
Little nigga, just another state case. Bury my motherfucker chase bank, time to bounce. Gotta count on my allowance. You niggas vicious, so I gotta rebound it. A nigga tripping like I got $1 zillion. Got the trap jumping like time when I rebound. Then I'm out, and I never talk about it. The homie squad, but we all smoke the loudest. Rich niggas in them really being modest. Cause the way I do my deals, never treated like I bought this from a house. You could DM my account. My DM 6 figures in the count.
Make sure y'all give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so I know that y'all are liking these videos and y'all want to see more from me.
Really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just slapped every nigga in a race. I really might tap realest nigga on my face. Let it slap with the bass. I used to save hoes with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go.
And I'm just repeating that same process as we lay down the entire wig. And then from there, as always, I take my elastic band and I tie it around my head twice just so we can yet again help that wig melt into our skin. And I usually leave this on for about 5 minutes or so.
Yeah. I mean, where the fuck should I really even start?
Now it's time to take the elastic band off, and then we're gonna somewhat get into baby hairs. Y'all, I haven't really been feeling like that baby hair look. I know a lot of people do that, but sometimes I'm kind of over that look. I'm gonna attempt to do a little bit of them here, but they're not gonna be like anything too dramatic or whatever. For the most part, when I like wore this wig, I didn't even wear the baby hairs. But at this point, when I take the elastic band off, sometimes there's a little bit of residue from the spray, so I just like to take a Q-tip and dip it in alcohol and then go along the hairline just so we remove that white residue.
When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta.
And as always, I like to use a toothbrush to attempt to lay my edges.
Really might tap this nigga on my face. Lil CC, let it slap with the babe.
I didn't cut the baby hairs on this wig because those baby hairs are kind of long, because like I said, I don't even really typically wear baby hairs with my wigs. So that's why I didn't. And then I'm just taking that got to be glue, that got to be gel, and lay down my edges.
Watts, I don't wanna change cause I'm good where I'm at. Multi, so I'm always good where I'm at. Word to Junior, Jazzy, Baby J. Tell them when I die, put my money in the crack.
Couple figures, kill a skull and collect. She fuck a nigga, then she on to the next. Really living large, she ain't all with a Mac. When you niggas think it's small in the mall with a rat. Roll with us if you really wanna get it. Go get $500,000 in a Sprinter. Phone ringing, bitches know.
And I just wanted to take y'all through this process. Like I said, I don't do it often, so I just kind of want to show y'all what I was doing. It did come with like the sideburns or whatever, so I am gonna lay those down.
Another state case. Bury my motherfucker chase bank, time to bounce. Gotta count on my allowance. You niggas vicious, so I gotta rebound it. A nigga tripping like I got $1 zillion. Got the trap jumping like time when I rebound. Then I'm out, and I never talk about it. The homie squad, but we all smoke the loudest. Rich niggas in them really being modern.
I don't know, I feel like for most people, I mean, yes, some people like the baby hairs, but I feel like the baby hairs are a way to cover up the lace. Like if you messed up or if you're not really good with like applying the lace or whatever, it's just to me a cop out. But I'm gonna go in with this Cantu hair mousse, and we're gonna go through and apply this through the wig and really like separate it and make it a little bit fuller, because the curls they popping, but the wig still looks a little bit flat. And I don't know if y'all know by now, but I do not like flat hair. I like big voluminous hair. So as y'all can see, I'm just kind of going through with that mousse and kind of separating a little bit. You don't want to separate it too much though, because it's a synthetic wig. It can get frizzy and turn into like a big hairball real quick. So that's why I'm not going through it too much. But I did like how this wig started looking like as it got older. And y'all, is this wig not giving y'all like Beyonce Solange vibes? Because I feel like it is. I feel like this was like one of Beyonce's signature hairstyles.
Yeah. I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas cross the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead, thought my raps wasn't facts, so they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I could tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming
At this point, I'm pretty much just playing around with the wig, getting it to my liking or whatever. But she's cute. If y'all really like this video, like I said earlier, make sure y'all give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button so y'all never miss any of my videos, and make sure y'all hit that bell notification as well. As always, I love y'all, and until the next video, y'all. Bye.
I used to save hoes with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money I done gave. I was on top when that shit meant a lot. Still on top like I'm scared.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way,